Hi, Swapnil. Hi, how are you? How are you doing?
Hi, how are you? I'm good, brother. How are you?
Nice to see you back again.
Nice to see you. Yes, finally,
Uh,
अपन phone पे बात करते रहते हैं. Finally, we
yes,
are nice to see you in
देखो.
person. बोलो
So yeah,
Dinesh.
congratulations for Samantha too. Finally,
Thank you.
yeah. I mean, the shooting was, I think, was held during the lockdown. I believe.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and trailer has come and it has been excited. People are excited to see you again in Samantha Part 2. And the trailer has been very good, and people are very curious to watch it. What exactly is going to happen in the second part? So please tell us about this second part and what Kumar Mahajan will be doing.
So I think the first part essentially Nidesh spoke about Kumar wanting to find his future
Yeah,
and find this one man called Sudarshan Chakrapani who kind of holds the key to his future, and he meets Chakrapani, and Chakrapani gives him these diaries, and these diaries essentially have his future written in them. So the first part ended with him getting the diaries. So the second part takes off from that, and actually it's like a race where now he knows his future. He knows what's going to happen, good, bad, ugly, everything. He knows everything. But now he wants to change it according to his liking. कि होता ना कि कुछ मुझे पता है पहले कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है, देन मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार मैं इसको कैसे रोकूं या मैं उसको कैसे चेंज करूं, या अच्छा होने वाला है तो इसको और अच्छा कैसे करूं. So will he be able to manipulate his future is what the second season talks about. And what price will he have to pay if he tries to do that is what the second season talks about.
We have seen Tejaswini in part 1 and working with you, and even we are seeing Saita Mankar in second part as well. So I mean, you're coming with again with Sai and Tejaswini in the after Marathi film into digital platform. So how was working with them? Your chemistry with them has always been good.
I think it was amazing because Teju and I worked in the first season as well, but Sai is the addition to the second season. I think they're both powerhouse performers. I think they're amazing actresses. I think they're extremely talented girls, and they're very dear friends. So working with them is always a pleasure, always fun, always a lot of behind the scenes musty that keeps on happening. Most of it I can't even talk to the press about, but it's a lot of fun.
So like when we talk about this is your debut with a digital platform when you did Samantha 1. So I mean, it was the only film that approached you for digital. So why did you choose Samantha? Just wanted to know that.
No, I was offered 3-4 other projects before Samantha for digital, but I always asked myself a very simple question: that if I'm going to do the same thing that I'm already doing in films and on TV in the OTT space, then why will a viewer want to see me in the OTT space? वो तो मुझे देख ही रहा है फिल्मों में और टीवी पे. So if I'm going to go to the OTT space, I need to do something that takes the utmost advantage of OTT as a platform, where stories can be told as realistically as possible, where stories can be told as raw and earthily as possible, which is not possible in films and TV anymore. So I was waiting for content that is OTT driven content, and Samantha was a content like that. So and I've been wanting to do Samantha for almost a decade.
Yeah,
I am a fan of that writer. I was very fortunate to be able to play a hero in a film called Duniadari, which is again it's one of the all-time biggest grossers of Marathi cinema, written by Suhas Shirvalkar. And so is Samantha. So Samantha is again a book which was very close to my heart, and I was very, very sure that I wanted to do Samantha, and that it worked out. And on a platform like MX, I think just was like a cherry on the cake.
Yeah, exactly. So like when we see the digital platform current situation, during this pandemic, it has grown a lot. So I mean, how you see as a digital platform in current period of time? So the actors who were not getting that opportunities, and now they can make their career in the acting as well because of this coming up a lot of series and all. So what do you view on?
I think it's a very happy space to be in, and any new form of vertical for entertainment is always welcome. The more the merrier. So there was theater, there was TV, there's films, and now there's OTT. So I like a lot more stories will be told now, a lot more content will come now, a lot more actors will get to see the light of the day, a lot more writers will get to put forth their stories to the world. I think it's a very happy feeling.
So like when we see the trailer, it was very curious. I mean, the your your companion. I mean, apart from Tejaswini and Sai Tamankar, we also saw Nitish Bhardwaj in part one and even in part two. So how was your working with him, sharing screen with him?
I think it was amazing. I think it's there's some kind of an electric energy when me and Nitish sir are on screen, because again that two Krishnas and the entire
So
history that goes on for us as two individuals, him in Mahabharata and me in Sri Krishna. I think the energy is electric, and every time he and me share screen, I think some kind of magic happens, which is unexplainable linguistically. But I think it's amazing. I think he's a very learned actor. I think he's a very fine human being. He's a very well-read man. So it was an amazing experience sharing space with him.
So like Samantha part two trailer has been very excited and people are loving it. I mean, they are looking forward to watch the film in the theater. So any particular feedback you want to share with the trailer which you got? How was the feedback?
No, I think you share the feedback with me, because I think I've been getting all kinds of feedbacks. You tell me, how did you like the trailer, my friend?
It was excellent. I mean it was just made it curious that what is going to happen. People are just waiting. They are just waiting for the July to come and to see this film.
Yes, 1st of July it is.
Yeah. So I mean, what kind of reaction you got? I mean, just wanted to know that.
No, I think the reaction was phenomenal. I think from both within the fraternity and outside the fraternity, the reaction was phenomenal.
So when we see the content of this film, it was very different, which you have been doing, like romantic, thriller, and this is something different you have been doing. So in future, I mean, upcoming films, what kind of roles you are going to choose? Like in Mogra Fulala, you did something different, and you're coming with the horror film of Bali. So I mean, the way of accepting the script, what kind of script you have been choosing right now? Then?
So I think yes, different genres is what I'd like to do. At the core of it, at the heart of the heart, I'm a hardcore romantic guy.
Yeah.
So I'll keep doing about one romantic film every year. But apart from that, I like to keep exploring different genres and different forms of entertainment. Sometimes theater, sometimes TV, sometimes films, sometimes OTT. So I'd like to mix it up. I've always liked to mix it up. And yes, I'm hoping to cater to different genres and keep entertaining both the audiences and the performer within me.
Mm-hmm. The part one was directed, I think, by Satish Rajwade, and second is Samir Vidwans. I was working with him because it was, I mean, something different. You have never worked with him before.
Yeah, I think every director brings a different energy to the set.
Yeah.
Every director brings his own soul to the show or the film or whatever. And Samir definitely did that. And I think it was an absolute pleasure working with him. He's a very fine director. He's a successful director. He's an established director. And Satish did a phenomenal job with season one. Right. And I think Samir has done the same with season two.
Mm-hmm. So anything other than you're doing, I mean, Samantha, next in digital platform?
Bali is obviously next.
Yeah, Bali.
Post Samantha.
Great. And thank you so much, Swapnil, for talking to us.
Thank you, Nitesh. God bless you.
Thank you. It was
thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure, Nitesh. Always a pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.